And I'll talk about what are the basic products we have in our iWellness brand. And I'll talk about that basic business presentation as well today. Okay. So I thank iWellness team to give this wonderful opportunity to talk about this basics. This iWellness, if you talk about today, the current scenario, why we wanted this wellness industry where are named, having the brand called iWellness today. There's a two things which is very important as of now. One is health, another one is wealth. So having both is that achievement what we are going to have it today. It is very important. Having a money, not having a good health is no use of it. And such a way that we formed this name, and this company formed by main leaders. They also came from this direct selling industry background, basically the industry background, and they also earned a very good money through this industry, and they know the very potential about this industry, and they found this industry is going to be the future. Statistically, if we talk about, as you all definitely known this, our business it's going to be rocking in the at this moment actually. So let me talk about in general. So today this iWellness formed by the main founder. Her name is Nirmala Madam. We used to call her that very good entrepreneur, a successful person. She's basically Indian and settled in the US, and she's a red passport holder, and she experienced about this industry in the US majorly, and she come to know this industry is going to be the future. But as you know very well, India is still struggling to make it as a legal. But today we, as a India, see, I think again I'm telling you, before that I'm a profession by lawyer actually. I take care of arbitration mediation in Chennai Court of Madras. So when we talk about this industry legal, before I get into the subject, today India is trying to give the formation for the direct selling industry, but actually in the US it is a pakka legal. So she came from US background. She's well known, she known about very good about this industry particularly, and that is the reason she didn't start any other business, and she start our direct selling industry basically in India, because she born and brought up in India. She wanted to give back to the society in a very good way, in an ethical manner, and she is the one who's behind this company, and taking care of all the financial aspects and all the things actually. And probably many of you met Mr. Anand, and he's also one of the founder of this company, and he's been continuously giving his 100% effort to make this company as in a good format, in the structured way. So I need to thank both of these people for form this iWellness as a very good brand. This company, it is not only giving a very good health related product, and as well as very good business methodology, and where everyone can make money in a simplest way, not easiest way, in a simplest way. Okay, so this company has a lot of products. So I'm just talking about what major product that we have. So probably our scientific advisory council, Mr. Popley is waiting to explain about the product. So directly I'll go to the business presentation. I'm the one who's always wanted a vitamin M basically, because I'm using our iWellness product quite a long time since our company is formed. So I feel that I'm very good help. As of now, I need more money. So that is why I'm just moving to the business methodology rather the product, because the right person is there to talk about the Sivaktan. It's a very good, wonderful product which I'm regularly consuming, and all other main products also there. That's Emu Fine, Emu Drops, the White Tea, all are excellent product, personally tested and tried, in a clinically proved and clinically successfully. We got so many testimonials regarding the products now. So Mr. Popley will take care. So now I'm going to talk about major business methodology, right? So can I have a slide about the business presentation? So every company has a kind of a business methodology. The same way, we have a major 4 income potential, which I'm going to talk about it. There's a 4 major income potential. There are 8 to 10 bases of income, but I don't want to give more information. So basically, as a networker, basically these are the 4 major income we need to cross to go for the next level. So let me take opportunity to talk about the major 4. The first income, our company having this, all this kind of, company having one is called the retail profit. So everyone aware of it. What is retail profit? There is a manufacturer and there is a selling point. So in between, there is a one thing that, what is that buying cost as a distributor. So MRP price and the distributor price. The difference between the MRP and the distributor price is called 15 to 20%. It comes around. So it is called retail profit. Probably, I think, Rajendra, you have the slide about it. So probably you can see the slide also. 15 to 20%, you will get a retail income. If you buy certain product, for example, it is 100 rupees. So when you can eligible to sell, you can able to sell, it's a 120 maximum of it. So that you will get 15 to 20%, maximum what you have a retail. And there is a second major income is the direct referral bonus. You can name it, direct referral, direct sponsor, or direct payment, whatever it is actually. If I, taking up this business, I think probably you may have heard of it. The price comes around 100 business volume. Every company has this standard business volume. We call it as a 100 BV. It comes around 6,000 rupees, maximum of 7,000 rupees. The base price 6,000 rupees, 100 business volume will be there. So the 6,000 rupees, if I started with this company, I purchase certain product. There's no any investment for your personal use. You are buying it. Definitely, you have to use all the product and get experienced, and then you can start referring it. So I'm the person who started a business by purchasing of 6,000 rupees worth of product. So now I'm referring somebody. In the both way, you can get benefited. One is, you will get a good product. There are many products available out there in the market, but still certain unique products, no other having it actually. You can feel it and then you can experience it, then you can share it. Absolutely. Right. And the second thing is it's a combo. No, if you have a very good product, good that actually. But what about the income? So this way, if I start refer somebody to purchase the 6,000 rupees volume of the product, they will get 10%. For example, I will get 10% out of the purchase done by my direct referral. So 10% I will get, majorly. The second, as like any other direct selling industry, we are a hybrid business plan. Not only a binary, we are a hybrid business plan. It is a binary come generation, both together we call it as a hybrid generation plan. So the first, as I talked about, retail profit. The second, I talked about direct referral bonus. The third, which I'm going to talk about, the binary commission. You can call it as a pair match. You can call it as anything, it's a binary income, everything. So there is a and B. For example, I have two legs, which we cannot open more legs and this because it is a hybrid, combination of binary and generation. There's only two legs. There is no multi-generation legs. You will get the benefit of the generation in the next level. So the third income I'm talking about, the binary. I referred A is one side and B is one side. The binary will be again 10%. For example, 6,000 as a direct referral, 600 rupees I will get it in straight away. That pair match 600, which is again 10%. This is the third income. The fourth, the major income, you can't find out this kind of the income in any other module actually. It is called the first level of generation income, which means if you brought around 10 direct referral under you, whatever the binary income they are making, binary. I have a 10 direct referral, so 10 level, which is not 10 level. That particular one level, I'll get whatever they make in a binary income. Out of it, I'm getting 25% indirectly, straight away 25% from the direct referral binary income, which is huge income. Trust me, there is a level. There are close to 10 levels we have. Each and every level, there are certain step level commission will be there. But this is one of the major. Even in your one single leg, many things, many other, this kind of the business model, they have certain ranking model. If you are in the certain level, you will get the first level of income. But here, there is no any condition, no criteria, nothing. Whatever your direct makes, whether it is in a single line, you will get money. If it is in a parallel line, again, you will get it the money. So every way, you can find out the income in this. So these are the four, major things which I wanted to talk actually. You can go and compare everywhere. Any other business model, you can go and compare. You can't find this kind of 25% of their binary, 10% of the team bonus, 10% of the direct referral bonus, which is 45% straight away you'll get it. In the first level itself, close to 45% of the income straight away you're getting it out of it actually. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. As you all know very well actually, the statistically probably in the next meeting I'll give you the better statistical information how this industry is growing for in next close to 4 years. There is a data which with me, but I'm really sorry, unfortunately I couldn't load it here due to some other technical reasons. I have a certain technical information you talk about. See the slide which you are going to able to see that. So this is the team match bonus for every again there is only one clause is there. It is a daily payout. The good thing that you can see today's scenario according to the Indian a consumer business methodology, there should be a 30 days income plan. Any business, the income will come. Whatever the business happen, that income will come after 30th day. But understanding the current market scenario and the people scenarios, we wanted to have the income, in immediate basis, which means a daily cutoff. Today you complete the business, need only 1 day for next day to reconcile that, whatever the, the payment calculation, all the things. The very next day morning, you can wake up, you can see your mobile. If it is at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you will get the income out of it. So daily capping, we are having it 15,000 rupees, which is there 15,000. You can able to see there. And per month, close to 4.5 lakhs, per month, you can be able to make it. In a simple concept, I'm talking about it. There is more plan, it's coming up, but still, I'm talking about only this 3 scenario. Which company today is giving, a daily income with all this kind of the income output, 10%. See, the distributor referral bonus is a 10%. And if you see that direct, team bonus is a 10%, the retail will be the 25%. Whatever your direct making money out of it, you will get 25% directly. 25% directly, right? So these are the major things which I want to discuss. As I was talking about the the global scenario today, if you see the research done by the KPMG. KPMG, I'm sure that many of you know or may not know. KPMG is the world leading auditing company who is given a report to the central government stating that in 2025, 2025, the year of 2025, India is going to produce $640 million business, which means close to 64,000 crores business is going to come from this direct selling industry. We are just standing out of it actually. Nobody knows the business methodology, which business is supposed to grow. Many people taking the business ideas based on what my neighbor is doing. What today business is going in a good way, who's making very good money today. But if you understand the fact, they've taken a decision quite a long time back when you are seeing that the potential of the real estate. You talk about the real estate, but today it's gone to the next level. But in earlier stage, people used to call it as a it's a broker business. Very the terminology what they're using is a very cheap way, broker business. But today it is called industry. Same way, people may talk about this industry as a catching the people, brainwash, canwash, whatever it is. But today, this is the industry. No other business, it's like any other business. No business will start without people. So this is a people-based business, right? You can start where you are and what you have in your hand. This business will definitely rock. It's going to be the rock in a very good way because the people behind this company is a very, very, very important. If you want to choose a company, I think there's a major 5P. We used to call it a 5P. One is this company people who are behind this. These people are already well settled. They don't want to come and make money out of this business because they're well settled. They want to give back to the society. They want to give back to the society using this direct selling. They understand the fact this industry is going to grow, right? And the plan is very, very important. As you've seen today, I just talked about this basic plan, right? The plan is very, very good actually. And the potential of this business and the product of this company. If you can see the product, people, you have to experience it. Just like that, we cannot say it actually, And this company all put together, giving you as a combination of the very good products and very good business methodology and business potential. And you have to take it to the next level and understand the potential. We have to make use of it actually. Companies are ready to do anything, any support, anywhere, anytime. Company is ready to come and give you the support for the market support and the growth of your personal growth, and the training and everything. Companies are ready to take care. The thing that you need to focus on your particular market and bring a more business and, take a very good health product, consuming it, feeling it and everything. Absolutely. And we have, lot more things. See, you can see the awards and rewards. Every company, like, we are also having all the tour programs, many tour programs we have actually. Now there are certain, promo is going on in Chennai and Karnataka. Basically, I am unaware of some other markets seriously, but still there is a promotions going on. If you, do a 3 sale, probably, you may have an idea about it. If you do a 3 sale of 6,000, which is a 300 business volume, or one, basically combination of 300 business volume, you will get eligible for the, company trainings actually. It will be happening in Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, wherever people are performing, whichever the market, we are ready to give the, that trips, awards and rewards, everything. So thank you so much. From my end, I just wanted to share this very, basic information. Probably the next week, I'll come up with a proper business slide and the, potential slide and the statistical information, all the things actually, right? So I'm here to, welcome Mr. Popli sir to take care about the product, because this is very, very important as of now to understand, because until unless we are not keen on our product strength, we can't get into the market and, pitch into this. So I thank once again for given this opportunity to talk about this company and the plan. Okay, so thank you so much, Rajendra, for your invite. Thank you. I think Mr. Popli sir will be there to take care.
Yeah. Good evening. I welcome all of you for this training program. I congratulate the iWellness family members for this training program. We got the health-oriented, the best products. First, I want to discuss and explain about the sea buckthorn juice. Actually, it is not only a sea buckthorn juice, it is a sea buckthorn concentrate. What we are having is the concentrate. That's why we are telling to dilute in the water and to drink every day. First of all, the sea buckthorn is an yellowish orange small fruit. It will be like a grape, but the color is yellowish orange. It is available. It grown in the interior part of the Himalayan, our Indian Himalayan. It is interior part. It is growing. It is a wonderful miracle fruit. Actually, the activity of this particular fruit, it have the 190 biologically active nutrients. This is a big list is there. Apart from that, it is having the vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and it having its own flavonoids. That is a specialty of the plant products. Amino acids, phenols, beta carotene, and folic acid. Out of this 190 biologically active products, it is having 20 minerals. It is having the specialty of the main sea buckthorn. It contains omega-3, omega-6, omega-7, omega-9. Now we will come to the subject of omega-3. Omega-3, it is having its most of the functions in our body, including the cell formation. Omega-3 is available mainly out of this particular sea buckthorn. It is available only in the non-vegetarian food, especially in the fish. and shellfish, it is available. But the vegetarian one is the flaxseed. That is a different one. But the sea buckthorn juice is having the vegetarian omega-3 that is called ALA, alpha linoleic acid. That is not available in the animal food. It is available in the vegetarian food. Out of that, our sea buckthorn juice or concentrate in sea buckthorn fruit. It is having 3, 6, 7, and 9. Now I'll go through that straight away. The simple way. What do you mean by this omega-3? What it will do? The omega-3 cannot be secreted by our body. It has to be taken from our food. It has to be taken from the food. That is, it will be useful, very useful in hair loss. It will maintain the hair growth, dandruff, impairment of vision, improper digestion and gas, low metabolic rate, sexual disorders, infertility, post-menstrual syndrome, poor kidney function, tissue inflammation, osteoarthritis, painful joints and muscles, eczema and psoriasis, premature wrinkling of skin, fatigue and lack of energy, lack of memory, inability to concentrate, mental depression, frequent colds and infection, and it is very, very, very good for the heart tonic. This is called as a best heart tonic, the omega-3. So our sea buckthorn is a vegetarian omega-3. It's a rare product. It is coming from Himalaya. Next one, it contains omega-6. Omega-6, we will get it from the other vegetable oils also. But combination with omega-3, 6, 7, 9 is a different combination that is available in the world only in sea buckthorn, not in any other fruit or not any other in the fish or any other egg, whatever you name it. It is not having the combination of 3, 6, 7, 9. 3, 6, 7, 9 combination of omega-3 is available only in sea buckthorn. It will play a very, very, very good role in our health. It will take care of all the organs. I gone through that. It will take care of all the organs. It will protect you from all the damages which is happening to the organs. Where it will play the role. Once again, I'll repeat. This omega-3 health benefits is it will take care of the brain. That is in the development of the brain and the energy, whatever be the neurons development, it will take care of that. Next one is it will be helpful in the central nervous system. It is useful for eyesight. It is good for digestive system. It will take care of the liver, kidney. It will be very useful in stabilizing the insulin level and also very good for the insulin resistant patients. I'll explain to you what is that insulin resistance when we are coming to the diabetic capsules. These are all the major things. It will play the role in reproductive system, and even for the children it is very good, and it will take care of the skin, hair, muscle, joints. It is good for asthma people also. It is good for cancer patient also, because this omega-3, 6, 7, 9 combination is having anti-cancer properties, so that it will be very useful for the cancer patients. This is very, very rare product. And what is the difference between the sea buckthorn juice available in the market and our concentrate? The product available in the market, they are having in the capsule in other forms. In tablet forms also it is available. But the very effective form is only in the syrup form or juice form, especially in the concentrate form. I verified all those things available in the market. They are all giving the diluted juice they are giving. But only our Eye Wellness is giving the product of the sea buckthorn concentrate. You have to dilute in the water and you have to drink every day. Very, very good effect even in the diabetic also. And also you don't know what it will do, because it will take care of you from the head to toe. It will take care of you. Somebody will say, I got the hair loss After taking this sea buckthorn juice regularly for a few months, my hair growth is good, they will say. Somebody will say, I got the skin problem, but I don't know how it is disappeared. Now I got a good skin. I don't know. But the sea buckthorn will work because of the combination of 3679 and also 190 biological active ingredients are there. So still the research is going on. What they find, they announced. Out of that, still the R&D is going on by the worldwide scientists regarding the sea buckthorn. We don't know what they are going to publish. When they are publishing, we will explain to you what is the latest information available about the sea buckthorn. But what they concluded in this, they done a research only a particular, you can say 30 to 40% of the research only completed. Even this 30 to 40% itself, they come to a conclusion. They call it as a miracle fruit. It is growing only in the Himalayan hills. That is one of the specialty. So we got our Indian berry of this particular called sea buckthorn, very effective. Those who are going to take, or those who are taking regularly this particular sea buckthorn concentrate along with the water, they will find a miracle results in their body. They will say, I got some heart problem. When I'm climbing the steps, I'm not able to breathe properly. I got the breathing congestion. But if they taken this juice regularly, it will work nicely with the heart muscles. They will come out of that problem. Somebody will say, I got the joint pain regularly, but after taking the sea buckthorn juice, I come out from that. Somebody will say, I got some digestive problem, irregularity in my digestion. They will say after taking the sea buckthorn, oh, I'm feeling very good. So like that, excuse me, like that, everybody will say a miracle testimony about this particular product. So I request all of you to consume this regularly and recommend to your clients. Ask them to regularly in the morning and evening. They can take after food or according to the specifications they take. The chart is available. The conclusion is that it is a miracle fruit. So we are giving the miracle concentrate of the sea buckthorn, one of the best products in our eye wellness company. Next, we can go for white tea. In this particular white tea, how this white tea is coming? In all the tea plantations, they will pluck the tea, they will dry, they will go to the machine, they will crush it, they will say first grade, second grade, third grade, dust grade, like that. Certain things will be exported and certain things will be supplied to the local. Especially the first grade of the tea is not available in India. It is purely going for export. But the specialty of the white tea, the tip of the tea leaf, the young tip of the tea leaf will be cut off by hand pick. It is hand picked and it is shadow dried. It is exported, but as well as in India, it is available, very costly product. The thing is that it contains the tannins. It got the bioactivity material, antioxidant, mainly the antioxidant. Out of this, what are all the things it is there? It is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. One more main antioxidant called catechins. This particular catechins are available only in white tea, not in any other material available, whether it is in a black tea or green tea, herbal tea, whatever be the things you name it, or you can have an apple, orange, anything you take. Out of this, catechins never available in any of this material. It is available only in this white tea. So what it will do? It will fight with the free radicals. When it is fight with the free radicals, it will remove from the body. It is making the antioxidant working with this oxidation process. It will clearly remove the free radicals from our body so that our aging process can be reduced. Because of the oxidation, our aging process is coming up. How it is so? Just to take an apple and cut the apple and keep it outside for a few minutes. But the pure white of this particular apple become brown, light brown, dark brown, then it is very, very dark brown. That is called the oxidation. You put an iron bar anywhere else, after some years, If you saw that, it will be destroyed. That is because of the oxidation. So the oxidation is the main reason to make our aging process. Once you cut off that oxidation process to certain level, so our aging process will be postponed. The age of a person of around about 60, if his oxidation process is reduced through this antioxidant properties of products, he will be looking like 50. That is approximately, you can say, 10 years gap will be there. The people, when they saw the person, they will say you are 50 years old, but real record and real birth is of 60 years old. So making young or postponing our aging process is the main category of this particular white tea. It will be very useful in weight loss. It will protect you from the bacterial infection, especially in our teeth. So our teeth decay can be protected by taking the white tea regularly. I will tell you in the last, I will tell you how to take this white tea. Especially it is the anti-cancer properties. It will fight against the cancer, any type of cancer, it will fight. So it got the anti-cancer properties, that is catechins. And for the diabetic patient, it will be very useful in insulin resistance. It will lower the risk of the diabetic. It is helpful in osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is nothing but the calcium loss in our bones. That is especially the females after 60, 65, they will have this type of problems. I explained to you about this skin aging process that will be reduced by this. And it will be very good for Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. I'll come once again to the tea process. This white tea can be taken only from a particular tea plant, not from all the tea plants. Wherever it is growing, it is Kunur, Assam, wherever it may be. But in a particular tea variety only, the white tea is plucked, the tip of the tea. Mostly the tea is prepared by heating process. Not mostly, 100% the processing is only by heat process only. They will process, they will take the tea. But in this white tea, there is no heat process. It will be shadow dried, not even direct sunlight. It will be shadow dried and it will be taken. Suppose in a tea estate, in a particular tea estate, they are taking the white tea and they are growing the other tea also. If they are able to take 100 kgs of white tea, out of that normal tea, they will take 1,000 tons into tons of tea they will get out of the plant. But only around about 100 kgs of the white tea available in the whole estate. I'm talking about thousands of acres, not ordinary. I'm talking of thousands of acres land. They can pick around about 100 kgs of white tea. Then you can find out. But the same area, they can pluck all the normal other tea, tons into tons of tea they can make. But they can make only rare of 100 kgs out of the so many thousands of acres of tea estate they can take. It will grow only in a particular area, especially in the Darjeeling area. It is growing, main Darjeeling area. It is not available in Ooty or Kunur, Walpare. All we got the estate. Out of the estate, these are all not available. Available only in Darjeeling area. So we are procuring this best organic white tea. For this, you will get all these benefits. How to take this white tea? Just you can take a 1 liter of water and just you can put few leaves into that. First of all, the water to be boiled. Out of the boiling water, they can take out from the kettle, put 2 or 3 leaves. Few leaves you can put and close it and keep it for some time. The extract will come into the water. After that, you can drink the water just like other normal water. The whole day, 1 liter or 2 liter, what you are using, the whole day you can drink the water instead of the normal water. If you taken like this, what are all I given the benefits? The concerned person will enjoy totally. They can take even a 1 glass, that is good. 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, they can take. But instead of the normal water, they can take this 1 liter the whole day or 2 liters the whole day. They can consume this. Only one time preparation, right? And also one more thing is that when they put 4 or 5 leaves into the water, They are boiling it, they're taken out. Don't throw away the leaf. You can use the leaf for the second time or third time also. The concentrate will be reduced, but you can reuse it for second time and third time. You need not throw it out. And one of my friend who is using the white tea, what he is doing, the whole day is drinking this water. He got some problem in his teeth. There is a bacterial infection is there. He got a lot of cavities, lot of problem. See, every 3 months once he will be with the dentist. Now, just after drinking the water, he's taking out the leaf and chewing the leaf, and he's eating the leaf also. He's chewing the leaf. What he's saying, after chewing the leaf, it goes into all his teeth and in the gum. He said, major problem of the teeth problem is solved. Now he is rarely going to the dentist. That is the specialty of this particular white tea. If you take the normal tea, your teeth may become slightly colorish. But the same in the white tea, when you are taking, it is protecting your teeth. That itself shows externally that it shows it can do the wonders in your body. That is a symptom. That is a simple thing you can see. But out of that, it had the highest anti-cancer properties and very good very good for our organs. It will reduce the weight also. Weight management, it will be very, very, very useful. And the preparation in organic method, the best tea, what we are procuring and what contract we are having the particular estate, it is very excellent, very excellent. If you see the competitor's product, it is available in the market also, but you cannot compare this white tea with any other white tea. Totally different. Because when they are plucking the tip of the tea, if they gone 2 or 3 inches extra, that is not 100% white tea. They will call it as white tea, but it is not 100% white tea. But in our case, the plucking is only the tip of the tea, the particular white tea tip. So that's why our tea, white tea, is a very, 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 very special tea. Anyone taking this tea like a water every day. Another thing, you can think of that, but it is only a few leaves you are going to put, right? Not only that, just if you are preparing half liter first time or 1 liter first time, you can use the same leaf for the second another 1 liter. I think human can consume maximum of 2 to 3 liters per day. That is also in summer. Normal time, you can take 1.5 liters or 2 liters is the maximum. If you taken this regularly, it will be very, very, very good for your kidney also. And also the white tea is a detoxifier. It will go to the blood circulation. It will remove the toxins in our body. How it is removing the bacteria from our teeth and gum. The same way, it will remove the toxins from our blood circulation. That is the specialty of this white tea. I explained to you about the specialty of our white tea. That is how it is, where it is picked. That is very, very important. How they are picking, whether they are picking the whole leaf or only the tip. But in ours, only the tip is picked. So the concentration will be more, the effect will be more. The person, those who are using this eye wellness white tea regularly, they will feel the benefit. They will feel the certain changes in their body in a healthy way, in a good way. That is the specialty of our white tea. Next, we can go for spirulina. Spirulina is available in the market everywhere. So many products are there. In which way we are differing from the other product available in the market? There is one chemical called, that is biochemical, called phycocyanin. That phycocyanin, the percentage will differ the type of spirulina, the phycocyanin will differ, percentage will differ. But in our product, what we analyze, what we find, we got the highest concentration of phycocyanin. That is the specialty of our spirulina. The market available, it got the low concentration. Ours is a high concentration. I'll tell you in a simple way. the cow's milk is coming. When it is come from the cow, it is extracted from the cow. It is called the raw, the best milk, unadulterated milk. When they are adding into the water, into that milk, it is diluted, that it's called adulterated milk. The same way, our spirulina product is the highest concentration of phycocyanin. Just an example, unadulterated milk. Ours is unadulterated milk. Most of the products available in the market, it is completely diluted. They are added the water. So I think simple comparison by the milk, you can understood how our product is having the highest concentration. We are having the phycocyanin concentration in highest level, right? What is the spirulina will do? The people will say that it is called the food of the future. What do you mean food of the future? Nowadays, what you are taking the food, it is a refined food, okay, rice refined, dal refined, anything you take, including salt, it is a refined salt, refined sugar. We lost so much of energies or whatever the things available in the particular products of unrefined is removed by the refining. Refining means removing some good thing from the product, that is called refining. To compensate that, what the spirulina will do? The spirulina, if you taken 1 gram of spirulina, it is equivalent to 1 kg of assorted fruits and vegetables. That is, if you are taking the vegetable and fruit of 1 kg, what benefit you will get? You will get 1 gram of the spirulina, you will get all these benefits. I'm repeating once again. If you taken not single food, I'm not talking about apple or orange or guava or dragon fruit. No. What I'm saying is that assorted fruit, that is all mixed fruits. Your banana, your orange, apple, right? All together, assorted fruits. And also the vegetables. That you are taking the broccoli or cucumber, brinjal, cauliflower, what are all mixed together, carrot, beetroot, all together, that is called assorted vegetables. The same way the assorted fruits, all mixed together. Suppose you take an example of fruits half kg vegetables you are eating. So 1 kg. Taking the 1 kg of mixed vegetables and fruits, if you taken 1 gram of this particular spirulina capsule, 1 gram, if you taken every day, what benefit you will get? First of all, what the benefit you will get out of the vegetables, mixed vegetables and mixed fruits, that benefit you will get. Okay, I'll go through that. What are all the benefits? It will strengthen the immune system. It will regulate the cholesterol level. That is what you are having, the HDL and LDL cholesterol. Out of that, HDL cholesterol will be maintained, the LDL cholesterol will be reduced. That is the maintaining of the cholesterol. It will regulate the blood pressure. Underline, it will regulate the blood pressure. Nowadays, the blood pressure is a problem. High cholesterol is a problem, right? They're taking the chemical tablets. The chemical tablets will have always be the side effect. But in a natural way, if you taken this spirulina regularly, their cholesterol level will be maintained. They will have the HDL will be high, LDL will be low, the blood pressure will be reduced, anemia will be reduced. It will be helpful for the diabetic patients. It will work against the harmful bacteria and the virus. It is good for arthritis patients and rheumatoid arthritis. It having the anti-aging properties. What I discussed with you, the white tea, the same way it is having the anti-aging properties, because this anti-aging property is totally different from the white tea. White tea, it contains catechins. This contains phycocyanin. Totally it is different. What you are taking, the apple is one, another orange is another one. What you are taking, the lemon, you are getting the vitamin C from the lemon, you are getting the vitamin C from the orange. Totally, this is different, that is different. The same way it is differs totally in the anti-aging properties. The spirulina will act in one way, our white tea will act on another side, another way. That is, especially the vegetarian people, they will always lack in protein. The protein-rich products are the meat products, liver, chicken, mutton, fish. These are all the richest source of proteins. But in vegetarian, they will get not like a mutton, chicken, fish, but they will get certain portion of the proteins. But when they are taking the spirulina, their protein requirements will be taken care of by vegetarian way, not non-vegetarian, vegetarian way. And malnutrition, the vitamin minerals will be the shortfall, that is called the malnutrition. That is the food may not be in a proper way to supply all the vitamins, minerals, but that malnutrition can be neutralized by this taking spirulina. Effective and healthy dietary program. It is very, very, very good for the dietary. Sorry for the disturbance. Now, is it okay? Anandji? Anandji?
Yes, sir, it's fine. You can continue.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. So now we can go for the diabetic capsules. Now, what is the diabetic? The people have two type of problems. One is that the insulin secretion will be very low. It may not be sufficient for the people. That is one of the diabetic way. I'm explaining in a simple way, not in a deep way. I'm explaining in a very, very simple way. The insulin shortfall is one method. Another method, the people have the efficient insulin secretion, but their cells in their body will resist the insulin. That is called insulin resistance. In both the diabetic, what do you mean diabetic? Diabetic is not a disease. If it is a disease, you can give the medicine, you can make them heal. They can come out from the problem. That is called a disease. But diabetic is not a disease. It is a disorder. When it is a disorder, you cannot heal the disease. It is not a disease. It is a disorder. Suppose a man lost the arm by an accident or somewhere. He lost the arm. In that, he got it is called a disorder. So he can have an artificial limb. He can go ahead with that. He can live with it. But he can live. But he cannot have an arm. But he can have an artificial arm. The same way, in diabetic, it is a disorder. Disorder, they to go along with the problem. They cannot solve the issue. They can maintain. That is called, we are called it as a blood sugar level maintenance. In the blood sugar level maintenance, our diabetic capsule plays a very good role. Okay, what is the difference between our product and the available market product of the chemicals, allopathy medicine or whatever it may be? Allopathy medicine will control the sugar immediately, but in a long run, suppose if they are taking, I'm an example, they are taking the medicine of 5 mg. After that, it will go 10 mg, 30 mg, 40 mg. The mg level will be increased. In a long run, finally, they will depend on insulin. Once they taken the insulin into their body, the body will change, because the insulin is from the animal, not from the human. It is from the animal. When the animal insulin goes to our body, it will react in a certain ways that our body will not be like a human body. It will make it certain changes in the organs. That's why the people are, though they are taking the insulin, in a long run, their fingers will be removed, the toe will be removed. One day they will remove the leg. They will say, no, we have to amputate. All these problems will arise. To come out from all those problems, only one way is to maintain the sugar level properly. The diet control should be there. 100%, the diet control should be there, even though they are in diet control, because they are taking the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate will increase the level of the sugar. It will shoot up. Not only taking the sugar, the people are thinking they are taking the white sugar. Instead of that, they can go for a country sugar. They can go for the jaggery. No. Whatever it may be, it is all in the carbohydrate form. Rice is a carbohydrate, richest source of carbohydrate. Our wheat is a carbohydrate, right? Whatever be dal, this and that, what you are taking, all is having the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate will raise the sugar level. But you cannot avoid the carbohydrate. If you avoid the carbohydrate, you will have only the non-vegetarian food. That's all. You are not having any vegetarian food. Even if you are taking the milk, it will affect the sugar level. Even the milk will affect the sugar level. So controlling or maintaining the sugar level is very, 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 very important. For that thing, our capsule is prepared in such a way, in a beautiful combination of the rare herbals and concentration. It is added into the capsules, and we manufacturing this particular diabetic capsule. So the Diabacare will work nicely for the diabetic patients. They have to take regularly. Definitely their sugar in a long run, not immediate, but in a long run, they can maintain the sugar level smoothly with our capsules, with the diet control. That is a very, very important thing from our capsule. Once they maintain the sugar level, always be in a normal condition, they will not face any problem out of the diabetics. I'm repeatedly telling, diabetic is not a disease. It is a disorder. It is to be maintained. If it is not maintained, though it is not a disease, it is the mother of all diseases. Suppose a person is having the joint pain. The problem will always be only with joint pain. The person is having the headache. The headache is only the problem in the head. A person is having the lungs problem. The problem will be only with the lungs. They got some liver problem. It will affect only the liver. But in diabetes, if the sugar level is not maintained properly, it will affect from hair to foot, from head to foot. Any organ can be affected by this diabetic problem. So that the maintaining the sugar level is very, very important. That is also in a proper, natural, herbal way. Our diabetic capsule is very good. Diabacare is very, very effective in this particular level. In a particular manner, it is working without any side effect. Underline, without any side effect. Suppose in allopathic, that is what you call as English medicine. Okay, just for understanding, I'm telling an English medicine. The person who is taking an English medicine for diabetic, they will say you have to take only this much mg morning or evening, both as per the doctor's advice they have to take. Suppose wrongly they taken one extra dose, immediately they will come up with the problem, right? The sugar level go down, they will have a problem. Immediately they have to rush to the hospital. They have to take the doctor's advice. Just a simple non-obedience of the doctor's word. But in our case, instead of taking the 2 capsules, they taken 3 capsule or 4 capsule. Unknowingly they taken. Nothing will happen to them. They need not worry. From there itself, you can understand how our products naturally affecting the body. Naturally, how it is maintaining the insulin level in our body. That is the main thing. Blood sugar level, how it is maintaining, controlling the insulin or removing the resistance from ours. That is the main thing. Next one. Now we'll come to Immufine product. The Immufine product, we got the capsule as well as drops. The capsule contains as well as the drops contains one product called Artemisia annua. That is one of the rare herbal available only in Madagascar. We are getting it from Madagascar, the same extract, and we are using in the capsule along with the other ingredients and as well as the drops. What is the difference between the capsules and the drops? The capsule is a different combination, as well as the drops also having a similar combination, but a different other product extract is added into that, especially for the children. If they taken this diabetic capsule number 1, especially now you know the COVID-19, a person who is taking this capsule every day, Immufine, along with the drops or without the drops. Along with the drops, it will be very, very effective. Sir. That is, if you take in the capsule along with the drops, it is effect will be 100%. If you take in the capsules, it may be effective of 70-80%. But if you take in both joined together, the effect will be 100%. So, okay, we can say legally we can say 99%. The effect will be there. If a person is taking regularly, if the COVID attacks their body, immediately the virus will be destroyed by our capsule and drops, which creating the immune system in a very, very strong manner, or it's strengthening the immune system. Because of strengthening the immune system, once this virus enter into, COVID virus enter into your body, immediately it will be destroyed. That is the first stage. Second stage, a person is affected by the COVID, now he is hospitalized. Okay, along with the other treatment, he is taken this capsule and the drops regularly. Suppose 20 days for him to recover from the COVID. But by taking our product, it will be reduced to 50%. Within 10 days, he can come out. Suppose he is undergo for 30 days. Within 15 days, he will be recovered. If it is 10 days, he will be recovered within 5 days. So 50% of the risk will be reduced by our capsule and drops. Next one. A person is affected by the COVID. He recovered from the COVID. Though he is recovered from the COVID, the effect will be there. Side effect will be there in the body. That's why the Apollo Hospital, they announced the center called post-COVID center. Now, most of the hospitals are creating one center that is called post-COVID. That is after COVID. After the recovery, though they recovered from this problem, but they will have the side effects in the inner side of the body. That organs will be, somebody will have, they will say, after this COVID, I got the joint pain, I got some chest pain, I got the headache, I'm not able to see properly, I'm not eat properly, my digestion system is not good. They will say my urinary tract is not good. So many complaints are coming out of the people, though they recovered from the COVID-19. That is called post-COVID problems. All these post-COVID problems can be solved by taking our Immufine capsule and the drops together. See, for prevention, they can take capsule. But after effect of the COVID, at the recovery of COVID time, they have to take capsule as well as drops. Then after recovery, they have to post-COVID problem, they have to take the capsules as well as the drops. Very, very, very effective. In Chennai, we are given to so many hospitals. Balaji Medical College and Hospital, it's a medical college. And also they got the hospital. You know, medical college should have the hospital. So they are recommending our Immufine product to the patients. Chengalpattu Government Medical College, Government Hospital, they are using. Then Surya Hospital, they are using. Omandurar Hospital, Government Hospital, they are using. So many Oxymed Hospital, they are using. So many other hospitals, private hospitals, so many doctors, they are recommending our Immufine capsule as well as drop to the patient. They are telling very effective, very effective. So any person, those who want to, though the people will say, no, I taken the vaccination. The vaccination itself, they are telling, simply they are telling, vaccination, if you take, you cannot say that it will not attack the COVID. The COVID will attack the vaccinated patient also. But the difference, what they are saying, it will not lead to death. If you vaccinated, you will not die. Majority, they are not saying 100%. Majority, you will not lose life. What they are saying. But they are saying the COVID will attack, the suffering will be there. But I'm challenging you. Till now, I'm not taking the vaccination. I'm telling you. I'm believing this capsule and the drops. It is giving the very, very, very good immune system. I'm moving everywhere. I'm discussing with every people. The people are coming to my office. I'm going to the factory. Everywhere I'm running, right? Just I'm wearing only the mask. But every day, morning and night, I'm taking the Immufine capsules as well as the drops every day. How to take the immune drops? Just you take a 500 ml water, add 5 drops into that, mix it, and you can drink, if possible, the same moment you can drink. Otherwise, you can take 50 ml, 50 ml, 50 ml hours together for 3 to 4 hours. You can take, but you have to consume 500 ml water with 5 to 6 drops of the Immufine drops. Just simply you can mix it. You will have a pleasant odor. Palatably, it is very good. I'm taking every day. Still, I'm telling you, I'm not vaccinated, right? I'm believing capsules and drops. If at all I want to be vaccinated, for only one reason only, I have to be vaccinated. That is traveling to the abroad or traveling to the other state, mainly, especially Calcutta, Delhi, in all the other areas, Assam. Definitely, I have to be vaccinated. But for the government pressure, for particular thing only, in future, I'm going to be vaccinated, but not for the protection at all. I am believing 100% this Immufine capsules and as well as the drops. Whenever I'm going to a meeting, open meeting, or whenever going for a function or anything, I know that lot of people are moving or the things. The same day night, I will increase my dose. That's all. Next day, I'll feel 100% comfortable, right? If the virus want to affect my body, in the entry itself, it will be destroyed. The virus head will be cut off. That's all. It cannot enter into my body. The same way, those who are taking the Immufine capsules and drops every day, they will be protected from this virus. Not only from this COVID virus, in future, whatever be the name they are saying, the bird flu, this and that, whatever be the virus is coming, any virus, any bacteria entering into our body will be killed by the Immufine capsules and drops. Underline that. So next meeting, I will explain to you about this Immufine capsules and drops in depth about the ingredients and other activities also. Next, we can go to the product, LungsCare Serum. I will discuss about the ingredients, everything, because the time is very short. So we can I will explain to you why we have to take the lungs rub or lungs juice or lungs tonic, whatever be the name you are saying, LungsCare. Okay, we'll say it as simply LungsCare. Why we to take the LungsCare? You know very well now everywhere the air pollution is there. They call it as air pollution. In Delhi, you know very well, so many times they are closing the diesel vehicles. They said you cannot run the diesel vehicle, right? They will say, no, only the 4-wheelers cannot come for the particular days to prevent the pollution, to reduce the pollution level. When the pollution level is high, everywhere, you cannot say Delhi alone. Chennai is there everywhere. Even you can find even Guwahati. You can find even Ooty and Kunnur, wherever you go. You can say the hill station, the pollution may be low. No, the pollution is there, but percentage may be less when compared to Delhi and Bombay. So what it will do? See, the people are telling smoking will cause the damage to the lungs. No, any dust pollution, air pollution will create the problem in the lungs. The person having the smoke may be affected within a short span, but the person, those who are breathing the air of the polluted air, he will be affected. Suppose if it is a 10 years effect, it will be 15 years. After 15 years, he will also be affected. So that the people are getting the asthma, lungs problems, so many complications are coming out of this. What is the solution for this? I'll tell you simple solution. If you are able to take out the lungs from your body, and you put some detergent or anything, whatever, rinse soap or liquid soap or whatever, you got the best detergents available in the market. If you wash and dry, and if you are able to re-put it in your body, then it is good. I'm repeatedly telling once again, just you have to take out your lungs, then you will see how much of dust is in your lungs. You have to wash your lungs with the brush, with all the liquid soap and all detergent, like how you are washing your dirty clothes. The same way you have to wash the lungs, and you have to repack into your body. Is it possible? I'm telling for a joke. It is not at all possible. But how to wash the lungs? I'm using the wrong word. How to wash the lungs? You can understand washing means then how much of dust will be there. Not brushing. You have to wash. To get out of all these things, the only way, you have to take the lungs care herbals. One of the best lungs care syrup what we are producing is very, very effective. Already it is proven in the market. Very effective. Even the asthma patient, they are telling, I got the relief out of this lungs care. They are telling, I'm able to breathe nicely. Even from the children to the old man, they are taking the lungs care. It is very, very effective. Then we'll come to the liver serum. Our liver is producing, our liver is doing so many functions in our body. If you say the heart is pumping only the blood. If you say the brain is working with the neuron cells and the memories, this and that, what it may be. If the bones, it is strengthening the skeletal system. If the skin means protecting the body. But the liver, you cannot say one function. It is having so many functions. Why the liver is affected? You are taking fruits, vegetables, anything. When you are taking, it will enter into your body, it will spoil your liver because it is filtering the toxins. When it is filtering the toxins, all the toxins will be, mostly it will settle in the liver. It will flush out, but majority cannot be flushed out. Certain portions will be settled in liver. So if a person is taking the liver tonic every day, his liver will be detoxified every day. His liver will be fresh, especially the people, those who are taking the alcohol, you know very well, right? How their liver will be affected. This particular, our liver tonic, liver care syrup will be very good, very effective. So within this, I conclude the training program. I think in the next program, we'll go into the ingredients and the other things. After a few meetings, we can have the questionnaire section. We can have the things, we can chat each other. We can understand more about the product. The conclusion is that iWellness is having the best products. I can prove, I can challenge with anybody. You can take it to all over India, not all over India. Worldwide, you can take it with any scientist. You tell about our product, tell about their product. I can prove that our product is the best with the scientists, not even people. I'm telling with the scientists, I can challenge that we can prove that our products are the best products. So iWellness, as per the name, it is one of the wellness best taking care of products. So you can enjoy the product. Strongly you can promote and recommend to the customers. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Good day. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Publi, sir, for your wonderful, in-deep, the clear crystal presentation about the product.
It is not so deep. Not so deep. We will go next meeting. We will go in deep.
We feel it is so deep, actually. For our the normal people who doesn't have any.
It is just only an introduction.
Okay, sir. Anyway, thank you. But actually, for us, this is a very big knowledge. It's a great, information about the product. We thought it is deep. So now after you're talking about it going, beyond this, anyway, it may take too much of time. But that is the reason, I told about this in the beginning time itself, whether we can experience the product. As you have mentioned clearly, we can experience, by using the product, definitely. And thank you guys for your valuable time, spent that too in Sunday, especially, having a lot of other commitment, but still you spend a lot of time with us. But this particular product, which Mr. Popli discussed about, that liver care, it is especially Northeast market. We are going to launch from October 1st. Actually, it is not yet launched, but it is in almost finalized stage. I got information from the board people from the iWellness. So it's going to be launched on 1st October, especially in the Northeast. Again, it's going to be anyway, it's going to come up with other South Indian market also. And, for every week, as iWellness family, we committed to deliver about the, training system, for this week, this product trainings happen probably next Saturday, 7:30, we are going to have a business building program, actually, the training system. So as a iWellness, it is committed to deliver this kind of the proper training system, to reach the end level people also to understand about our company system as well as the product in deep. So every alternate week, we used to conduct the product training and the business development training as well as the, business presentation. So these three trainings, the senior level people will talk about this information actually, and thank you so much. Please, focus on your particular market. Just we are growing, and that too in this the crisis in the wellness industry crisis, we can make use of this particular product and this business compensation where we can grow health wise and the wealth wise also. So all the very best for each and everyone who spend a valuable time with us. Thank you so much. I wellness very happy to commit to deliver all the services. Thank you so much.